Have you ever wondered how to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies without the hassle of traditional exchanges? Well, today, we're going to explore one of the popular platforms that makes it easy, Robinhood. But before we get started, let's address a common question. Why choose Robinhood for crypto? Why Robinhood for crypto? Robinhood has gained a significant following due to its user-friendly interface, commission-free trading, and a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies. For beginners, it's a great starting point. However, it's important to note that while Robinhood offers a convenient way to buy and sell crypto, it doesn't provide full wallet control. Understanding Robinhood's crypto wallet. Robinhood's crypto wallet is a custodial wallet, meaning they hold the private keys to your crypto assets. This can be a plus for beginners who might be concerned about security, but it also means you don't have complete control over your funds. Accessing Robinhood's crypto wallet. To access your Robinhood crypto wallet, you'll first need to open a Robinhood account. If you already have one, you can proceed to the next step. Log into your Robinhood account, enter your credentials, and log into your account. Navigate to the Crypto tab. Once logged in, look for the Crypto tab or section. This is where you'll find the options to buy, sell, and view your crypto holdings. View your crypto holdings. Click on the Crypto tab to see a list of available cryptocurrencies. You can view your current holdings by clicking on a specific coin. Access wallet details. To access your wallet details, you'll typically find an option within the coin's details page. Look for a button or link that says wallet or something similar. View your wallet balance. Once you've accessed your wallet, you should be able to see your balance for that specific cryptocurrency. Additional features. Robinhood's crypto wallet may offer additional features like the ability to transfer crypto to external wallets or participate in certain crypto-related activities. Be sure to explore the options available within your wallet. Security considerations. While Robinhood takes security measures to protect your funds, it's always essential to be cautious. Avoid sharing your account details with anyone and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Limitations and alternatives. It's important to understand that Robinhood's crypto wallet has limitations. For example, you might not have the same level of control over your private keys as you would with a non-custodial wallet. If you're looking for more advanced features or complete control over your crypto, you might want to consider using a non-custodial wallet. Robinhood's crypto wallet offers a convenient way to get started with cryptocurrencies. However, it's essential to understand the limitations of a custodial wallet and consider your specific needs. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily access your Robinhood crypto wallet and start exploring the world of cryptocurrencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.